I'm really bummed. You should have consulted with me ahead of time.
Today I want to talk about some changes that Gearari made to their posture corrector, and I'm going to get into that right now. Welcome back, friends, and if this is your first time, my name is Ashley Osier and I'm the posture specialist. If you would like to improve your posture, decrease pain, and enhance your overall wellness, make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss anything. I want to start by saying that I have not tried this product for more than maybe 10 minutes, so I'm going to be trying this for longer. Remember, I had a video that I will leave up here for you where I tried this Gearari posture brace for 30 days and I let you know what I thought about it. I did get some messages from viewers that said that the link that I was providing was for a different posture corrector. So I went on, and what happened is that Gearari changed their posture corrector to this. And I'm going to be telling you the difference between the two. I'm going to do it really quickly because I want to make sure to have time to try this product and then be able to give you a fair product review on it. But I have to say, initially, I'm just like,
what did you guys do? This is not good. This is not good.
So first of all, I don't feel like it was made as well. They changed the quality of the back part of the brace. This is this panel that I really liked on the original posture corrector. The other thing that I don't really like is that this panel that comes down on the original one, I don't know if you guys can see it, it has kind of holes in it. This one has no holes. So the breathability through it is not the same. It's not made the same. The other thing that changes it is that it's not as firm. So this panel right here is kind of flimsy. This one here, it has more form to it. Does that make sense? It just has more form to it. The structure of it is more solid. And when I have it on, when I'm wearing it, I feel like it's more solid. I feel more supported. This down here is also, it's thicker and it's just kind of flimsy. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this here. I'll have a full review on this, but it's just kind of flimsy. It's just, can you see that difference? This one's wider, this one's more narrow. This one I like better. So it's firmer, the structure is firmer. I like that they changed the Velcro. They definitely changed the Velcro to the more like industrial strength. Really like that. They did that super well. Well done on that. I think that in order to change the strength of the Velcro, I think they had to change the actual material here and here. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm not 100% sure on that because I haven't spoken to the company themselves, but I believe that that's probably what they were trying to accomplish. This is stretchy. This is not. This one does not have the added straps. This one does. So this one here, and I don't have the straps with me, but this one here, you just add the strap to this D-ring and then you add this around that loop and it makes it longer. The other thing that I found, and I'll show you guys photos, is that when I have this on my back here, it lays differently. It's wider on the back of the shoulders, and this one comes up a little bit higher, more to the top of the shoulders. And I just felt like it was a better fit. But the hole in the back here is actually higher up on my scapula, the base of the scapula, that bottom tip of the scapula, which is going to push my scapula up. And if you see the one video that I did with the thumbnail, the anatomy of the perfect posture corrector, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's basically a video that shows you what I'm looking for in the perfect posture corrector if I'm looking for one, and how you can learn what to look for so that you can look for the perfect posture corrector for yourself. I'm just so heartbroken and disappointed because you guys can't get this one, which means that I'm back to square one on finding a really good posture corrector that I can recommend for you guys. And I'm really bummed about that. I really did think that this was the better one to go with, but I just can't recommend this one right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out, but I wanted to let you guys know as soon as possible because I did have a few people contact me about the link, and I so apologize. Your voice is really, really important. I don't know when these companies change their products, so I need you to let me know if something changes. And as I do more product reviews, they may go ahead and change something, not let me know. I need you to let me know if ever there is something different than what I have in the link, okay? And then I will check it out. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload my new videos. And you can also just message me and let me know. It will be probably, I want to give it a good 30 days to try it out so that I give you a solid product review on it. Usually when I do my product reviews, it's like a minimum of 2 weeks that I try things out just so that I give it a good go. But if you guys have questions, let me know and I will message you about it, okay? Don't forget, I have Zoom classes during the week, Tuesday through Fridays, and a self-acupressure class with the Theracane on Thursday. And if you want a posture assessment, just message me. Go to my website link up here and message me and we can set something up. Otherwise, I will see you in one of the next videos. Until then, happy posturing.